think based on what happened yesterday, I may be short biased if we retest the imbalance. Yesterday we swept this high and we formed a market structure shift right now. So now we have this imbalance in the hourly, but it's pretty big. So don't have anything coming up for the next 3 hours. That's about percent maybe. So this 15-minute is about to close in this extremely bullish candle, and it's above these closures. So we may keep grinding up or go sideways here. And if we get here, maybe that's when I'll start shorting. Alright, with that in mind, yeah, so I'll be more bearish around here. But right now, I think based on this 15-minute closure we're about to get, and 30-minute closure, existing home sales already happened, no? That was an hour ago. It does say in 30 seconds. Was this Central Time? Why did it change? This is usually always Eastern Time for me. That's weird. But you're right. Yeah, it's in 20 seconds. Okay, I guess we'll wait to see what happens here. It says 9 a.m. on Top Step. Huh. Give it a couple minutes since users came out, I guess. You believe you're expressing the opening? Well, opening. Right here? Oh, you don't trade like the first 5-10 minutes, man. Give the market some time to settle. Like, if you would have just waited, what is this? 15 minutes? I think this was pretty obvious. So it's curving up. And as soon as this basically became support, I would be longing this. I think this happened on Monday as well. But if you trade like the first 5-10 minutes, you don't see that picture yet. You guys gotta be patient, man. There's no reason to rush these. I really want to short this yet until we get a market structure shift to the downside. I'm gonna stay. Let me grab one more here. Or two micro. Went from 7K to 1K in 3 days. Is this under
Order filled.
Is this under XFA?
Order filled.
I keep belonging here. That first trade though, first 22 bucks.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Was a quick $56 in like 20 seconds. I mean, like 2 seconds. All right, up $75. Cool. I'm gonna keep relonging this. Like I said, there's no reason to short until we get market structure shift to the downside. We need to engulf a previous bullish candle. So maybe we keep grinding up to this 50%. I should have held one. I should have held one. We do have like these 50-minute sweeps right here, so it is possible we may sweep this last one and then like maybe start balancing around here. So I want to chase longs here now. I'm gonna give it some time. I'll relong here again. This will be the 5-minute opening if it retraces. You only traded NQ now? For micros, M and Q, yeah. I think they're better than MES. But then usually when my account like becomes bigger than 55K, I usually switch to minis on ES. I don't think I want to get filled here actually. Alright. Yeah, NQs are worth a lot more. you guys are trading, I wouldn't short this. Yeah, by the way, there's no reason to short this. Here's that 15-minute sweep we just got right now. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, I know you, man. NQ is worth a lot more than ES. Yeah, I'll send you a link to check the larger requirements. Well, when I say it's gonna sweep, right? Like, so we technically swept right now, but it's not a sweep to get a market structure shift to the downside. So yeah, so far right now we swept it, but this can still reverse until we get
Order
that
filled.
confirmation down. For now, I'm still gonna play the range. I got one micro. I'm just gonna scale out 21 bucks. It looks like my second one is not gonna get filled here, maybe. It fucking hit me, but didn't get me filled.
Order filled.
There we go. I have a fair value gap right here too. I could go into this right now. Actually, do get here, I'll probably add one more. 275 on NQ. Alright, we just tapped into it. Might add a third here. See how it holds.
Order filled.
This could be the market structure shift I was talking about. Maybe I shouldn't have added 3 here, but it's okay. Actually, if we inverse this too, this is probably bearish. Let's see. This 5-minute holds up. So this 5-minute fair value gap is inverted, then this may retrace the whole move. So let's see how this 5-minute closes. But if not, this was a good tap. I'm currently long brand 3 micros. Long 3 micros from 21,285. But this gets inverted, I'll probably just close at a loss in short. Let's see. It looks like I just closed. That's still a fine close. I think I can still get filled here. I might add a 4th, to be honest with you. It's okay, I'll just stick with 3 for now. That's enough. Should get at least 50% retracement of this 5-minute candle. We're on like 295 on NQ. I either scale out or just fully get out here. Oh, I don't know. What is a fair value gap? I'm not gonna answer this on the stream. Maybe after I'm done trading, not during a trading session.
Order filled.
I may end up taking this as a loss, just depending how we close this 5 minute. This 5 minute closes below, I'll just take the loss. But I still think it's good on the 50 minute too. I'm still liking this 50 minute. We're just we swept this wick. As long as we start holding above, we should be good. No, actually, I'll add a fifth.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm not gonna do more than 5 micros. That's already pretty aggressive. Alright, damn. I don't know if we didn't close below this, so I may just gonna break even at this point. I don't know, this 50 minute is still good though. I think it's just retracing. Or I could be wrong. Alright, I'll risk $500 on this trade. Actually, I think the smart thing to do is slowly scale out of this. So I break even. Are you in shorts? Yeah, man, definitely. That's why I'm making money. Well, then this is a bad trade. get our break even at this point if it comes back up here. Damn, is this actually gonna trace the whole move after that sweep? I didn't really expect it to happen so fast. Alright, this is not a good 5 minute. If this 5 minute closes below this, I'll just get out. I want this 5 minute to close above this. 9:55 opening. Yeah, 5 seconds left. This is not a good 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna get out of these at a loss. Let's see if we can just bounce back up here. This will be a $375 loss. My issue is definitely scaling too fast. But it's okay. 375 is not bad. I'll take up to 1,000, then I'll stop on this account. Man, what a shit shot. It's not gonna get me filled. We have this 3 minute close that's about to happen. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised for it to fully retrace, but I don't want to wait 30 minutes just for it to come back.
Order filled.
Alright. Okay, down 300 days so far, not bad. I may relong around like 230 if it goes back down here. I think the trade will still end up working out, it's just my entry was garbage. I'd rather just get out a loss and just do better entries. So let's try like 225. This would be a much better entry. 230 and like 225. I'll get 2 micros.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, that was a much better entry. If I scale out at 252, I'll recover $100 in profits from my losses. Probably more along here. The 5-minute retracement. It's 30 minutes opened.
Order filled.
I'm gonna relong again around 235.
Order filled.
Sell at 250. Need $33.
Order filled.
I mean, this 3-minute, I think should retest at least 50%, if not the whole move. So I should probably hold a runner, honestly. Move this up a little bit. I would've gone full if so 60. about 50% of this 30-minute. I think I should hit there at least.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, I recovered my losses. Cool. See, this is why you get out a loss and just revalue your trades. I was down 300 and just made it back. I might be long this though. A good exit, and then you can just re-long.
Order filled.
Real quick, like 55 bucks.
Order filled.
Mostly trade one contract at a time? What do you mean? Like NQ or ES? We're talking about the actual positioning size, because I was just playing around with like 3-4 micros right now. No, I clearly had more than one right now. Like I usually scale them with one at a time. The best thing to do is when you're scaling in, I know I haven't been doing this on stream, but for example, like when I had a bad entry here, ideally you should add until at least a 5-minute closes. Because I added 3 here pretty damn quickly and I had a bad entry. So if I'd have just waited for every 5-minute close, my entry had been much better. But I was pretty aggressive. Alright, my goal for today is hopefully $1,000. Let's see. I'll probably stream for another 2 hours. I'm gonna re-log here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Like, that's pretty aggressive. Usually you shouldn't do that.
Order filled.
Like I had a whole day to stream, I wouldn't be doing this, but I have to leave in 2 hours.
Order filled.
I don't want this 5-minute closing here. Here's what I mean. I don't know why I keep doing this. I'm scaling in too fast. I have micros a lot. I'm getting trigger happy. Because the idea with scaling in is so your average can go much down, so it'll be quicker to get out break even. So if I'm still down in red for all this time, that means I scale into pretty fast.
Order filled.
Looking bearish a little right now. A little bit, but I don't think so. Like maybe short term, yeah, but for longer periods, we're still good. This hourly basically retraces almost this whole candle. So as long as we like close anywhere where we're at right now, this is still good on the hourly. 30-minute looks iffy right now, but we still got 20 minutes. If 30-minute closes here at doji, then yeah, I'll be I think a little bit more bearish. But we still got 20 minutes for this. And 15-minute, I don't know how I feel about this one. We kind of rebalance both sides, it looks like. I don't know, I think I'm just gonna play the range until this 30-minute closes. Actually, going back to this, because I called this out that it would continue. We swept this 15-minute, and I said wait for a market structure shift. We got it, but it's already stuck. I would have just waited for this market structure shift, because this bearish candle engulfed this bullish candle. Could have re-entered at this fair value over here. Actually, never mind, that's a lie, because that would have formed it. Could have probably just entered a starter position here. Who knows? Maybe we'll come back to this and then go back. this fair value up wasn't formed yet. So this third candle closed. This chart's getting messed up. Yeah, 5 minute is actually pretty noisy because look at this 5 minute. It closed below. Pretty bearish, and now it's 5 minute might close above. Now it's bullish. I think it's just chopping up people right here. I actually may go for some longs here. I'll grab
Order filled.
this quick.
Order filled. Order filled.
That sucked. That's all. I'm gonna change in like 1 minute. Don't do what I'm doing. You're not fucking add this fast. I'm stupid. Okay, I really need to stop doing this. This will be the last time, hopefully. Looking at this.
Order filled.
Yeah, I mean, look at this 5 minute. I think I'm just gonna leave this range until this tournament closes. This tournament is iffy for right now. But like I said, 50 minutes left to close. So if we close out a doji, I don't think we'll go back. We have a more likely chance of just going down. I would want this to close like a bit more green, like at least that much or a little bit higher. Or it's something like that. Close out a doji, it's a little bit more conservative. We'll see. Once you save 1K, once subscribe to Patreon. Just do prop firms, man. Don't gamble your own kind of options. I fucking hate options now, man. Past 2 months has ruined it for me. Just follow along in prop firms. All you need is $200. And you can basically make a lot more money. Stop touching options. Yeah, and a lot of these prop firms are so cheap. Wait, is Billion X that cheap? I thought Billion X was like $80. That's how much I paid for it. Maybe I'm an idiot. I'm gonna long just 2 here. I'm not gonna do fucking 3. Just 2. I'm just gonna play this range.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's 2. $56. he has his own codes. I do. I'll be honest with you, I don't really understand them. I can send them in a second. I don't know. I just started Blue Next like 2-3 days ago. This is Purdia too. I also just started Purdia, I think one day. Purdia, Tradeify, and Blue Next. I just started all three. So that's why I'm kind of streaming them to see how they work.
Order filled.
You don't really get much from affiliates, man. You guys want to show you something funny? I made negative money from my trade day affiliates this month. Not even joking. You guys are making me broke somehow. Oh, one sec. I don't want to expose anything, so let me know if you guys can see this. Alright, you guys see this? Oh, I made negative $11 today, or this month. I only made 174, I think, last month, and then this month I'm negative. Somebody refunded, I don't know what that means. Wait, did my name show up on there? I just took a screenshot, but whatever. That's whatever. Alright, I may try logs again, or I might have missed it actually. How much are we up? Yeah, we're almost up 300. That's good. Should have taken this again. Oh, maybe not too late. Let's grab 2 here. How long would you play Trust the Strange? Not very long. Or it's getting really tight here.
Order filled.
This is probably
Order filled.
the last trade. And that's why I'm getting out of these pretty quickly. Like even this one, I'll just get out here. 39 bucks and whatever. This could fucking blow up, like shoot up, but it's a little bit risky playing it here. After this trade, I may just wait for the 30-minute close. Because this is very, very choppy right now. But this is good for scalps though. If you're just doing 1 or 2 micros, this is good. I'm gonna do just 1 more micro here. If I get filled, probably not.
Order filled.
Cool. Up 330. I was down 301 point. That's good. You know what's crazy is some people would have like they would have entered with me, and like, what was my initial entry like around here? Imagine someone holding through all of this, just hoping to get on break even, but they would have just taken the loss with me and retraded this. I'm now up $300, just accepting my loss. After you do this 5-day pass challenge for the prop firm, would you stream how you trade normally? And this is how I trade normally. What do you mean? I mean, I don't know, if you take micros, it's not that bad. I mean, I lost only 300 bucks here. Like, if I was using minis, that would have been like 2 grand lost. That would have been a lot harder to accept. But $300 is not bad because I know I could literally make it back in an hour, which I just did. Actually, I was less than an hour. I was like 30 minutes. using minis, yeah, it's a lot more difficult. People probably would have lost like 2 grand here. Now they're in this mindset they have to recover 2 grand. So it's a lot more difficult. But if you use micros, like your losses will be a lot smaller. And that was with me being aggressive too. So like I shouldn't have taken those 5 micros here. Alright, I think I have to like probably leave at 12:30. So an hour and a half. I think I could probably make at least 600. Ninja Trader sucks. Use Top Step. Use Platform X. Even TradeOvay is not good for beginners. Use Platform X. Whatever platform allows it. Top Step, Trade Day, and I think Beulah next, right? Those 3 currently use Project X. Yeah, that's what it's called. Those 3 currently use. Here, I'll type it in. Honestly, I would use these 3 firms just based on the fact they use Project X. I think Tradeify is slowly implemented soon too. But for example, right now, Purdia, like I think it's a good firm, but they don't have Platform X, and it may be a deal breaker for some because this honest exchange sucks. Alright. Yeah, that's why I was waiting for this 30-minute. Because even charting on here, it blows. Like, usually I like having 4 charts, and it's quite difficult to do in this. Why are you cooked? No, if you made exactly 1500, that's perfect. Just lock out and tomorrow make exactly 1500. They have like $100 cushion. If you make like an extra 20-30 bucks, that's not a big deal. So you made 30 cents, that's fine. Alright, at this point I'm just gonna wait for the 30-minute now. This whole move rebalance. It's crazy. This 30-minute retouched the opening. I wouldn't mind trying actually 1 micro long. I'll just do 1 micro. Just 1. Just solely based on this 30-minute touch.
Order filled.
I'll just get Hey, I just got an email from my agent. A successfully served business grower. Finally.
Order filled.
Can someone tell me what indicator is down the right? What indicator? This? The volume? I think it just comes default. You know, volume's actually very important, but I'll be honest with you, I kind of just stopped using it. I used to rely on volume very heavily. One day, oh, that's a pretty good entry. Where the heck is it? I got distracted. Please. Yo, wait, Frag, I just realized you like features now more than options. Isn't this shit so much more better than options, bro? Alright, this is actually a very good long here. Too late to chase this, but we basically just inverted all these imbalances. So here would have been a good long. I should have marketed in this. I'll grab one micro here because I missed on the move. At 220, 220. Yep. And I'll tell you why this is a good long after I get filled. Damn, bro, that's such a good entry, bro. 74. Shit. Yeah, fuck, I think I missed this, but let me show you why this was good, though. First of all, this 30-minute literally retapped, but that wasn't really it. So we had all these stops here. We pushed down, and then this 1 minute inverted this fair value up right here. I didn't mark it here, but like I can see it without marking it. As soon as this 1 minute closed above here, we had two fair value gaps that were inverted right here. So you could have marketed instantly into this. But here, I think it's too high now to chase. That would have been a good entry right there. That 30-minute retest still worked flawlessly. This honestly may sweep all of these highs now. We got all these 5-minute highs. This may slowly start sweeping them all. So I'm going to stay more long focused until we sweep these. Oh fuck it, dude. I'll long just one. This is kind of chasing, but whatever. Just doing one micro. You long enough that 30-minute retest? That was a really solid entry, man.
Order filled.
It was really good. I mean, I didn't expect this to happen, to be honest with you. That's why I just got quick profits, but whatever. And then we'll just sell here. Longed 236, getting out 249, $25. I'll do one more.
Order filled.
2 max though. This will be for $57 if I get filled. If I get filled, I'm gonna make more coffee. I wouldn't be shorting this here, by the way. Not until we sweep these. You guys are trading. We got 2 micros. I might let these run. I'm just gonna make coffee. I'll sell these at 261. $105. Alright, I'll be right back.
Order filled.
How the fuck do you remove drawing tools on this shit platform? Oh, I was pressing delete, wasn't working. 450. I feel like I'm behind on this. This is my third day. I'm supposed to be like 3,500. Yeah, Fractals isn't features so nice. Like, imagine I would have called this on the 1K, right? Like, I said long, whatever. Then we went through all of this. Then we would have dealt with decay. Like, at this point, everyone would have gotten a loss or break even. Just for the trade to end up working out. I hate options, man. Especially calling them out. Just dealing with people with option plays, I just ruined it for me. Alright, what do we say? Good. Damn, I actually sniped the exit too. Did you see how the guy from yesterday finished the stream? Oh, Royal? No, I wasn't there. I joined when he was down 1900. What happened? Did he recover it? He blew his account? I mean, go figure. He only had like $100 left. Is he not in here? I told him to join the stream. Alright, I may try one longer. Oh, my trade away froze. I'll do 2 micros here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's just get out 240.
Order filled.
You guys are more than welcome to stream, man. Why are you guys asking me? I think the lounge, everyone has permission. Well, everyone that's not green, I think has permission. What do you mean? You can't talk much. I think it's just had to push to talk. I can remove that. I have it set by default push to talk because people don't know how to mute themselves. Yeah, I don't know if you guys remember, like when we first started streaming, like I had to manually mute like 20-30 people every time. Back when Piper first started. Budget days. Those are the good days, man, honestly. I can't believe I'm saying that. The server's only been alive for like 5 months. Just 3 months ago, I just felt so nostalgic already. Yeah, definitely. this 15-minute candle closes. That's another thing I like about this compared to like TradingView and TopStep. So when I hover my cursor here, so at 220, it would automatically hover it here. So I can like see this open on the 15-minute where it would be on here. Like it would show a line. This one doesn't do that. Unless there's a setting for that, I don't know. Yeah, I hope so, Kotaro. Unfortunately, I think majority will remain on options. They're not gonna. I don't know. I feel like people just get so very confused with futures, and even though it's honestly a lot easier than options. I may try long here. It's kind of risky though.
Order filled. Order filled. What I don't understand too is like those guys who are doing options is like, I don't know, they're trading for the full day even though they say they have work. I've said it so many times, like futures you can trade after your job or before. You don't have to worry about trading during the day. Like that's what got me into futures, is like the fact that I can trade before my job. Dude, I remember when I used to trade options while at work, and I would be like in a pretty big position, like during a meeting, and I would like, lose a few grand. Like it was so difficult to like remain like a professional face at work. It was so bad. And the thing is, a lot of people probably do the same thing. You guys remember that guy? He was like, every time he gets my alerts, he'll go to the bathroom, take the trade. I'm like, so you get notified of me taking a trade, and then you go to the bathroom. Order filled.
Like, that probably took him at least 3 minutes now. And by then, the option trades were already up like 10-20%. I mean, futures does sound intimidating. I get it. But with the prop firms, they make it so fucking easy, man. So fucking easy. Alright, see, that was a risky trade. I got lucky. I got out of that. I don't really like how these 30-minute candles are forming. This 30-minute, I think we may push further down to the downside. I think I'm more short biased now. Let's see. Go back to 230-ish. I may short here. I'll put a little wider right now. Put 2 micros here.
DRK, do not.
Order filled.
Don't use your personal money on futures. Open a prop firm. Look at TT commentary and watch that video I posted a few days ago. Not by me, by Iman Inman, whatever his name is. Watch that guy. Hold on, let me get out of this. Watch that whole video and understand like how prop firms can help you. Don't risk your own money. Can you do 6 a.m. streams? Yeah, funny man. I'm good. I'm gonna add just one more.
Order filled.
You know what? This actually might be a bad trade. I'm gonna get all small loss here. I think let's make it go higher. This did not give me out, so I may just mark out of these if I don't get filled.
Order filled.
I feel like we have a lot of liquidity to take out, and then we have this little bearish fair value gap here. Let me push all the way up to there. I don't want to take 2 micros longs here. I took a $100 loss there. So when I'm scalping, it's not really based on a model, man. These are quick scalps. It's just based on candlestick retracements. The MSS and fair value gap only happens like a couple times a day. Like this, for example, would have been one. We may come back to get a second. About right now. I'm not gonna, like, if I do 30 trades a day, it's not all based on that. glad I got out of those at least. Yeah, price action and retracements, yeah. For example, that trade earlier, even though I got out quickly, that was literally just based on this 30-minute retracement. This candle retraces 30-minute open. That's when I grabbed 1 micro here, but I got out very soon. That was literally the reason for that trade. Then I saw this push, and that was the MSS fair value gap. Actually, right here, this has been a good long. I don't know why I didn't take this. I'm just distracted. Here's the fair value gap too. We went back and we tested it. I should have taken longs here. I don't know why I shorted this actually. You were getting coffee? No, that was over here. I was definitely here. This happened. But this was a good one too. We swept liquidity, and this 5-minute was a market structure shift. And then on the 1 minute, I don't like these because there's 2 fair value gaps, but this one is technically a fair value gap. Let me retested it on the 1 minute. I usually like just one smooth fair value gap.
Order filled.
Scared. That was really loud. Alright, may try for 3 micros here.
Order filled.
No, I'm not gonna. We still didn't sweep this point right here, so maybe that's where I'll get out a little bit above these. It's like 70. See, this 5 minutes retested. Maybe this would have been good long. Not. Let's see.
Order filled.
This is why it's not good to be tunnel vision on 1 minute. Like when I have 4 charts that open the same time. Switch to 2 minute. Yeah, that's true. I used to use a 2 minute. Why should we try that? Ah, it looks so much cleaner. You're right, man. I haven't touched 2 minute in a while, actually. I like this. If I get filled at 270, maybe $200, so I'll recover my $100 loss plus some. This 30 minutes about to close. Still choppy. I would want to close a little bit higher. Next 1 minute. Oh, 2 minutes is good. It does remove some noise. Damn. It really fucked us the last second, huh? 30 minutes looking pretty decent. That's a bad 5 minute. wanted to add more here, but I'll leave it to 4 micros. Not a good 30 minute now. I might get out of these at break even actually. Or just even. See if I can get lucky here. Damn, I think I should have gone out. Actually, I wonder, they may push this back up, honestly. That seemed kind of sus. I don't like how they pushed this literally last like 30 seconds of that 30 minute. They might push this back up. I'm putting this back at 270. If I'm wrong though, I'll probably get out. This 5 minute closes below here. I'll probably start getting out here. That seems kind of sus. Cause that 30 minute looked pretty decent. Then they fucked it the last 30 seconds. Lost my life savings in 1 hour, bro. Where were you? But seriously, once you're an XFA, don't skill in aggressive like I'm doing. I'm just doing this to pass this combine within 5 days. Ideally, you should do 1 or 2 micros and like every 5 minutes skill in. Like what I'm doing right now is very aggressive. But it's still working out. I mean, I'm still positive 250. Let's see if I can get out of this. Okay, I like this 5 minute pullback. This is good. Should I get out a break even or keep holding this? 15-minute. I don't know. Based on a 15-minute, I think we can still click these. Probably should get out a break even. I'm gonna hold this. Zach, I'll be right back.
Maybe I should have gotten out here and just re-added. I was in the bathroom. What do you guys do? This probably was really good.
Around 50 bucks. Yeah, that's good. I mean, this 5-minute retraced. I should have even got our break even. Just re-added lower or got a better entry. I mean, I think 270 is still likely. We still have some liquidity here that we can grab. I should have gone out and just got a better entry instead of holding 4 micros. I'm still liking the 5 minutes so far because we had this bearish candle and we're claiming we're still holding. I want this 5 minute to keep making higher opens. Then I think this will hit. I'm gonna give it this like 3 more minutes. And I'll get out based on this 5 minute closure. Why is my entry so short? I don't remember how I got into this. Let's look at this candle. I said it's like 4 times an extreme, but I need to stop scaling in so fast. Yeah, no, I usually don't do this, but I have to leave in 50 minutes. I mean, if I only make $500 today, I could just make up for it another day. I can have like a longer stream. So even if I'm at 500, that's fine. Let's see what we can do. You're streaming tomorrow? I could. But I'm gonna be in a hotel. Actually, I should probably go to Micro Center and buy a portable monitor. I'll do that before I leave. If I shoot from my laptop, I don't think I can record. Maybe we'll see. I don't know. The stream would have died for those options. I know, right? I mean, the way I trade too is like, I got a pretty bad entry here, right? I would have started like scaling in slowly. Like I said, like every 5 minutes or 2 minutes, whatever, you can add a micro. I feel like if I would have done that in options, people would be like, oh, why are you scaling into losing position? I don't know, man. Look, just option players are just a different breed. They just question everything. And in reality, that's like, I feel like that's how you should be trading. Challenge chat single-handedly made me cancel. Yeah, I don't blame you, man. Made me almost quit too. Actually, I'm gonna stop trading options like on my personal accounts too. You have to deal with decay. Well, at least this is gonna make
Order filled.
$200. So stupid. I'm up 570. Let's see if we can make another 400 in 45 minutes. Challenge over? Not necessarily. I'm definitely gonna focus more on futures. I'm still working on bots, but it's taking a long time. The reason we got fully out here is I had a bad entry and I took my profits. This can still be good though. That's a really good 15-minute close. I had a bad entry and I was at 4 micros, but this should be like a skill out and then hold. So I'm probably gonna miss out on some profits here, but it's fine. I'm glad I don't use hard stops anymore. A lot of people probably got stopped right here. This could be the breakout, honestly, now too. You start holding this. You start holding above this line. You start just grinding up. I may relong, but I'll just do 2 micros. Let's see. And I got out 270, so I can relong maybe like $10 lower. 2258. Do 2 micros here.
Order filled.
Alright, these 2 I might actually let run now. Maybe like skill 1 out here, and then I'll leave 1 runner, see what happens to it. But these 5 minutes need to start making higher opens. I don't want to see this doji. What is this close in 1 minute? I want to see this like 1 minute, like, you know, hold me about at least 265. So like right here would be good, but nothing lower. See, I don't really like that now. Just close it at 270. Just like $49. You've been doing futures since over a year. Getting payout is tougher than you think. No, it's not, man. It's extremely easy. As long as you're disciplined and you know how to scale in. If you're burning accounts or using minis. I don't know, man. Like, this shit is like money free. Once you pass the combine, you just gotta take everything slow. Getting a payout is not difficult at all. Actually, getting a payout was like, I don't know, like 10 times easier than making money from options. Yeah, you know what? This may still be good. I just one more micro. Burn combines on micros? I don't think I've ever done that. I mean, I've seen people instantly start with 10 micros at once. At that point, why are you even fucking trading micros? Just do a mini. Like, I don't know, man. I think it was a Monday stream. I made 1200 with micros. And I was doing like 1 to 5 contracts, like micros. So I literally, my max position was half a mini, and I still made $1,200 that day. And $1,200 is a lot. Like, that shouldn't even be like your goal. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Like, people are saying it's difficult to get payouts, but everyone's just scaling aggressively, and they don't have discipline. Like, for example, the loss I took earlier, I think my entry was like here. Imagine holding through all this garbage just to get our break even. And I could have traded all of this to make my 300 loss plus 500. You guys have to learn how to take your losses. Like, why are you guys even trading if you don't know how to take losses? You're not trading then. It's not just in futures, bro. It's fucking everything. No one knows how to take losses, man. It's not a big deal. And on top of that, like, I think prop firms have just helped me tremendously because to me, it just feels like fake money, man. I'm just playing with like even if I blow this account, like let's say this is sim funded, right? And I have $2,600. Even if I blow this account, like mentally, I tell myself I only blew $200 because that's how much the account costs. Like, it's so much more easier than like an actual personal account. Easy for me to say? What do you mean? Yeah, it's easy for me to see because I've been doing this for a long time. You don't think I used to blow accounts like back in the day? 500k L. I took a lot of L's in my life, man. Oh, I get what you're saying. Yeah, like I took big losses, so these don't mean anything to me. Yeah, it's true. That's very true. Yeah, no, I get it. I know. I don't know. I've been doing this for fucking 7, 8 years. I don't even know. But most of my journey, I've just been L's, so like, this I don't feel anything. I mean, I've learned to take my losses too, you know, like, just because I have a bit higher tolerance doesn't mean I don't take my losses. Okay, I think we're still gonna go up, but this is looking kind of iffy. I feel like we're either gonna slowly start like grinding up now on the 5 minute, but there's a potentially we might hit some resistance and drop now. I don't know. I mean, this 5 minutes that was looking good. We'll see. I'll just keep playing the range, but I'm just gonna do 2 micros only. This trade took too long. It is almost lunchtime too. I'm going to set to 73 almost. Of course, I moved this like 10 seconds before I got filled. Whatever. Spent my 49 bucks. One more micro.
Order filled.
Stop. Still my go-to trading platform. I mean, their platform is moving to other firms. Like Trade now uses it, which I'm really stoked about because Trade, I think they're still my almost favorite firm. They're definitely like top 2 or 3 for me. Their support is extremely fast. Their payouts are fast. They allow daily withdrawals. I think they're generally the most honest and like professional out of all of them. You can copy trade between firms, but I think you have to use like a third party copy trader, which I personally don't trust, but I've seen a lot of people use. The only reason I don't trust it because I remember, I think when I was looking at it at YouTube, I saw a live stream of a guy using it. I forgot his name. Oh, I remember he was copy trading between
Order filled.
I think TopStep and Apex and a third firm, and he closed the position, like he hit market, and then he goes to his TopStep accounts and they didn't close, and he ends up getting like liquidated. So I'm like, yeah, fuck that, I'm not dealing with that. I mean, if you use it, go ahead. I don't trust them. Alright, up 660. I don't know if I can make 1,000 within 30 minutes. Or 350 left. I mean, this is still pretty good. Anyways, going back to whoever's blowing your accounts, like, I don't know, man. Like, have we been trading for how long? I think I started a stream around 10. Literally 2 hours to make 660, and I had a $330 loss at one point. Just using micros. And a lot of my entries were pretty bad. Like, that's why I tell people, like, you don't fucking need minis. Like, I feel like they use minis to pass their combines fast, and then they're stuck. Like, with that mindset, they have to keep using minis, and they just blow their accounts. Like, imagine if you make $660 a day, man. That's like such a good salary to have. I don't understand why people use minis. It's so stupid. Like, you guys should treat this like a job. I don't know. Like, this was pretty easy to make, right? So let's say 660 my daily goal, and there's 250 trading days. What the fuck? 50 times. It's 165 grand. Even in the firms take 10%. 150 grand, even after tax. That's still fucking $98,000. Making this much using micros. I don't understand why I ever use minis. Yeah, and it's relaxing, less stressful. I forgot how to do math. Was that not correct? Yeah, I didn't count losing days. I know. I'm just saying this is average. Like, for example, on my personal, I aim for 2K, but I know for a fact there's gonna be losing days, right? So even let's say, I have one day that's like minus 2K, but then other days are plus 2K. Like, my average will still be like, I don't know, let's say 12, 1300. Oh, divide out first. It was just a misclick. I meant to hit multiplication. Okay, looking at this, I think we're just gonna keep grinding up now. I may take another 2 micros long here. Use a bathroom again, though. Alright, I'll take 2 long here. At 270-ish. See if I can make at least another $100.
Order filled.
Alright, these I'm gonna scale out. Let's scale out one above this high. I reckon it's fully get, I'll be $60. Now I'll leave a runner. And then maybe. Actually, we are in this fair value gap. This bearish fair value gap. Maybe I should fully get out. Yeah, fuck, I'll just fully get out. $60 is good. I'll be about $15 scalp if I get filled. Yeah, we might do one more here.
Order filled.
This will be $100, and then I think I'll call it a day after this.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm not doing more than 4 micros. Real last trade. That's it. Now I'll stop looking around here on this 5-minute. See how it just closes. Close below this.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm up 800. I really want to make 1,000. I feel like I'm gonna start forcing trades. So I may just call it quits there and that's it. And I'll have a longer stream, maybe like one day we're off, right? Or tomorrow, I guess. Actually, no, tomorrow. My stream tomorrow will be very short. So I'm definitely gonna be tired. My flight is in the morning. We'll see. Also, whoever was mentioned that I was considering losses. I'll be honest with you, like when I trade micros, I literally probably have like one loss like every 2 weeks. Because if you do the same shit every day, like I don't know. It's very difficult to lose 1,000 micros. I don't know. If I do minis, yeah, my losses are a lot bigger. Like I have more losing days. Probably like at least once a week. Not at least, but maybe once a week or so. If I just stuck with micros on like all my accounts, like I don't know. All right, yeah, I'm gonna stop now. That's it, because I want to relong this spot. Gucci.